Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. Today is the giveaway drawing for the new background designs that you guys voted for in September's giveaway drawing video. All you had to do to enter was leave a comment below that video with your vote. My mom counted all the votes for me, and the two background designs that won were wood background and collage background. So each one of these will be available in the all sizes bundle, which is the large, medium, small. They'll be available in the large, medium bundle, and then they will also be available in the medium, small bundle. Oops, that one didn't say all sizes. And so this is exactly what the Etsy listing picture looks like. So if you get confused when you're looking at them all because they kind of look the same, but if you want the wood background and you want the all sizes, this is where you look. It says large, medium, small, and it also says all sizes up there. So there's two places on the listing photo that tells you exactly which one it is, and it's also listed in the description box below these pictures. So both of these are now going to be available in my Etsy shop. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick two winners. So this is the YouTube random comment picker. I've already put the URL from the video in there, and it already pulled up the comments, and I'm just going to hit start, and then it's going to pick a winner. Okay, MC Graves. I just have to vote for collage. It looks so pretty. Thanks for sharing your talents. Okay, so I'm going to write your name down. You need to contact me. There is an email below. You need to contact me via that email. All right, so then congratulations to MC Graves. Now I should be able to pick another winner. I'm going to pick one more. Oh, start. And that would be Aileen Burnett. Congratulations. Both of you all are this month's background design winner. And all you have to do is contact me through that email listed below. Only giveaway winners can contact me through that email. If you contact me through that email for any other reason, I just am not going to respond. It is only for the giveaway winners. And you guys have until October 31st, 2018 to contact me to claim your winnings. Okay, the next drawing will be November 20th, 2018, and all you have to do to enter into that drawing is leave a comment below this video, and the backgrounds that are left are Harley script, doily, text, and ode paper. So you just leave your vote down below in the comments, and that will enter you into November 20th, 2018's background design drawing. I also have somewhere... Oh, I have a coupon code for you guys. This one is good for 25% off everything in my shop with a $10 minimum purchase, and it's good October 23rd, October 24th, and October 25th, 2018, and it's all based on my time, and I am Eastern Standard Time. So there will be a link below with this coupon code that if you hit that link, it'll take you to my Etsy shop, and then it will automatically apply the coupon code to your purchase as long as there is a $10 minimum on your total. So that's probably the easiest way to go, but if you don't hit that link and you just go to my Etsy shop, and you can enter this code in as well. So this will give you 25% off of everything in my shop for today, tomorrow, and the next day. So congratulations to the winners. Contact me via the email, and don't forget to leave a comment below. I will see you guys next time. Bye.